NEP 2020 Actionable Points Part 2. Opportunities for adult education will be widely publicized. Improving the availability and accessibility of books. Languages of India to remain relevant and vibrant. Skilled language teachers in India. Language teaching to be improved. Hiring of outstanding local artists, writers, craftspersons and other experts as master instructors in various subjects of local expertise. Quality research in the field of Indian language, art and culture. High-quality programs and degrees in translation and interpretation. The knowledge of the rich diversity of India should be imbibed first-hand by learners. Sanskrit will be mainstreamed. Institutes of classical languages. Academies for languages mentioned in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. Scholarships and incentives to study Indian languages, arts, and culture. Use and integration of technology to improve multiple aspects of education. Suitable equipment will be made available to teachers at schools so that teachers can suitably integrate e-content into teaching learning practices. Better integration of technology-based education platforms, such as Diksha/Swayam, across the school and higher education. Particular attention must be paid to emerging disruptive technologies that will necessarily transform the education system. Initiating and expanding research efforts in new disruptive technology. Universities will aim to offer PhD and master's programs in core areas. Awareness on disruptive technologies. Ensuring the use of technology for online and digital education by adequately addressing equity concerns. Creating a dedicated unit for building of world-class digital infrastructure, educational digital content and capacity. Strengthening and empowering CABE with a much greater mandate. Centre and the states will work together to increase public investment in the education sector to reach 6% of GDP at the earliest. Subject-wise implementation committee of experts in cooperation and consultation with other ministries at the centre and state levels. Yearly joint reviews of the progress of implementation by designated teams constituted by MHRD and states and sharing review with CABE.